Good morning. Myself Dr. Kunjal Sharma. Today our topic is capsicum poisoning, which is a vegetable poison. It is a short note. Now capsicum, which is also known as chilies, red pepper and lal mirch. It is a fruit and seeds are about 0.30 centimeter long and wide. Because the poisonous part, it is seeds in case of capsicum. Now it has a pungent smell and taste. Very unpleasant, or you can say very bad smell and taste. It is pungent smell. Then active principles are capsaicin and capsaicin. These both are the active principles of capsicum, which are acrid and volatile, easily evaporates and acrid in nature. Then non-alkaloidal and non-fatal substances. Now signs and symptoms you can see when it is applied to the skin. Then it will produce irritation and there is vesication. Now when it is thrown in the eyes, then it will produce burning sensation with lacrimation or the tears and redness of the eyes. Now when it is ingested or when it is taken orally, then it acts as an irritant poison. It causes burning sensation in mouth, throat and esophagus and stomach. So the burning sensation it will produce all over the mucous membrane of the body. Now the part of the treatment when it is applied to the skin. So we should be washed out with water that particular area of the skin where there is burning sensation. When thrown into the eyes at the time we should be washed in saline and antibiotics applied and cortisone drops may be helpful. When it is ingested or it is taken orally, then tongue should be scraped by a blunt edge instrument and eyes given to suck, which gives relief in burning sensation. The medico legal aspects. So it is used as a torture to extort money. So to intimate someone, to torture someone, to get money from them. So it is for the criminal purposes. It is mostly used like confession of some guilt by introducing it into the nostrils, eyes, urethra, vagina or rectum and thrown into the eyes to facilitate robbery. And fumes for burning chilies irritate the eyes and upper respiratory passages. So it is generally used for the criminal purposes. Now in this picture you can see two types of the seeds. First one it is datura seeds and second it is capsicum seeds. So datura seeds which are brownish in color and capsicum seeds are yellowish in color. Now there is other short note difference between chili and datura seeds. So chili seeds, the size of it is small and thin. You can see in this picture it is second one capsicum seeds or the chili seeds which are small in size and thin. Then color it is pale yellow in color. Appearance smooth and round. Smell and taste it is pungent smell or the pungent taste. Then convex border which is single edge and on section you can see there is embryo curved inward. Now datura seeds which are large and thick, you can see large than the capsicum seeds and thick and brownish or blackish in color. Then appearance kidney shaped and finally peated, or you can say there is a groove or cavity and reticulated. So there is net like structure. Then smell odorless. Taste it is bitter in taste and convex border it is double edge. Now on section you can see embryo curved outward. So here we are completing capsicum poisoning. Thank you.